We have an issue, guys. Besides my homework being due tomorrow that I have not started, Women's Day is coming up. And do y'all see that? You know what? Do y'all see this?
He needs some milk.
Like, how am I supposed to feel empowered and confident in my hair not done? Like, it's not giving what it's supposed to have gave. So I'm about to get a wig, and y'all gonna come with me because I can't look like this on Women's Day. Like, it's not giving the girls at all. Like, Women's Day, you're supposed to feel empowered, beautiful, everything on Women's Day, because it's our day. But for me, this, first of all, look at the edges. I can't. So I'm gonna just go to my old faithful LuvMeHair and get a wig, cause this is ridiculous. So boom, now I'm finna get my hair done by my lovely hairstylist, Miss Princess. What you're about to see is pretty self-explanatory, so just enjoy the process.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his real silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied, Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind.
Hey Golden Babes, as you see, the wig is now installed. We did no baby hair, so you guys can get into this lace. Get into it, like, what? Oh my gosh, and look, this is so silky and so smooth. She only did some curls in the front, like she just recurled the front, but this is how the curls came straight out the package. Straight out the package, and it's so silky smooth, soft, like, oh my gosh. And it was easy to install. It took her about 40 minutes, if even that. This wig, just buying it for Women Empowerment, Women's International Day, it makes me feel empowered. So for Women's International Day, this wig does make me feel empowered. It makes me feel confident. Like, as I get older, like, this gives me more of a mature look. It's giving the girls what it needs to give, as you can see. Like, it's giving Instagram baddie. Okay. And the wig is affordable, it's soft, it didn't shed. Like, do y'all see this? Like, this is literally how the wig came. Like, she did her few little touch-ups, but this is basically straight out the package. Like, this wig is just perfect. Easier to install than a 13x16 lace frontal. Like, I'm just in love with this wig. This wig overall does make me feel confident, does make me feel like I'm ready for Women's International Day. Like, I'm ready to give the girls looks. Okay, let's get into the review of this wig. So the wig came in like 3 days max. Of course, the hair package, very, very nice. It was in a net. The hair came already with bleach knot, pretty much ready to go. Like, I did customize it just a little bit to my head. Well, my stylist customized it to my head and did what she had to do. She gave the girls what needed to be gave. So cute! Ah! I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Women's International Day is all about empowering, feeling confident in your true self as a woman. You know, we do things that some people, like men, can't even do, which is carry a whole child, different things like that. And to all the women out there, I just want to say thank you. You're doing amazing and you're loved from me, and keep going. Trust me, it's gonna be worth it at the end of the day. You're beautiful. You are a ray of light. Anything you need to know that you are, you're great. Your future is full of success. You are it. You just have to become it. You have to feel it. And Women's International Day is what that means to me. Like, you're just becoming everything that you want to embody. And if you're interested about this top that I'm wearing, it will be linked down below. It's from my boutique, so that will be down below as well. But yeah, Golden Babes, like I always say, smell good, still smile, and say go to babe, and happy Women's International Day. Mwah.
Walk in, working my shoulders.